Welcome back to Auto Lab, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels. Today, we're exploring the 2026 Honda G150 Electric Autorickshaw, a game-changer in urban transportation. Honda has upped the ante with this eco-friendly and high-tech ride, and we're here to break down everything you need to know about it. Starting with its design, the G150 Electric is all about blending tradition with innovation, while it retains the compact and functional structure of a classic autorickshaw. Honda has given it a modern upgrade with a sleek aerodynamic body, futuristic LED lighting, and bold color options. It's not just a utility vehicle, it's a style statement on three wheels. The heart of the G150 Electric is its advanced powertrain, powered by a state-of-the-art lithium-ion battery. This rickshaw delivers a range of up to 150 kilometers on a single charge. Charging is hassle-free, with standard and fast charging options available, so you can power up quickly and get back to business. Regenerative braking is also a standout feature, converting braking energy back into battery power to maximize efficiency. When it comes to performance, the G150 Electric is no slouch. The electric motor provides instant torque, making acceleration smooth and responsive. It's perfect for navigating through crowded urban streets or delivering quick trips during peak traffic hours. Plus, with its silent operation, the ride is peaceful, reducing noise pollution for a better city experience. Inside, Honda has focused on driver and passenger comfort. The cabin is roomy, with comfortable seating and ample legroom for passengers. The digital dashboard offers real-time updates on battery life, speed, and range, while optional smart features like Bluetooth connectivity and navigation make driving more intuitive and enjoyable. Safety is another area where the G150 Electric shines. It comes with the reinforced frame for durability, anti-roll technology to enhance stability, and bright LED headlights for better visibility. For added convenience, an optional reverse camera is available, making parking and tight maneuvers a breeze. What makes the 2026 Honda G150 Electric truly special is its commitment to sustainability. As a zero-emission vehicle, it contributes to cleaner air and a greener planet, and with its low running costs and no fuel, minimal maintenance, it's an economical choice for drivers looking to save money while making an environmentally responsible decision. For fleet operators and business owners, the G150 Electric is a no-brainer. It's reliable, efficient, and designed for high daily usage, making it an excellent investment for urban transportation services. And while the upfront cost may be slightly higher than a traditional rickshaw, the long-term savings on fuel and maintenance are well worth it. In conclusion, the 2026 Honda G150 Electric Autorickshaw is more than just a vehicle, it's a step forward in sustainable mobility. It's stylish, innovative, and perfectly suited for the challenges of modern urban life. Whether you're a commuter, a fleet owner, or just someone looking for a smarter way to travel, the G150 Electric has a lot to offer. That wraps up today's review on Auto Lab. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about the future of electric autorickshaws? Would you choose the Honda G150 Electric for your needs? Let us know, and as always, stay tuned to Auto Lab for more updates on the latest in automotive tech and innovation. See you next time.